Electronic Control Unit. Today's presentation is about Basic Software Mode Manager module, that is BSWM module in AutoSAR. Below are the topics which I am planning to cover: overview of BSWM, functionality of BSWM, what is mode arbitration, what is mode control. Overview: BSWM is a basic software module which sits in the system service layer of AutoSAR. And the main responsibility of BSWM is get the request from application via RTE and other BSWM modules and do the corresponding action of that particular request. And for this, BSWM has a special mechanism. This implementing the action is done with the help of some simple rules and simple logical expressions. This configuration, rule configuration, logical expression configuration, getting the mode request or getting the request, everything is configurable, and this is done in the BSWM module. Functionality: there are two main tasks of BSWM which we call it as mode arbitration and mode control. Mode is nothing but it gives the current state of a global variable. Example, in ECUM if you take, there will be one global variable and the value of the global variable will correspond to startup state, run state, post-run state, sleep state, something like that. So mode is nothing but it refers to a global variable which will be present in almost all the modules, including the application software modules. And in simple terms, to explain, say there are two global variables x and y, and there is a comparison like this which we need to do it. If this comparison fails, we need to do one true, means passes. If this comparison passes, we need to do one action. If the comparison fails, that is not of gets passed, we need to do some other action. This is done with the help of tags such as request port, condition, logical expression, rules, action list and action. What is done in the mode request port? Mode request port, this port will be triggered whenever there is a change in the value of the global variable, or the global variable will be read based on the BSWM raster. So in the mode condition, the global variable is compared to one value, something like x is equal to x is equal to 2. That is, a condition is given to a global variable. In the logical expression, two or more condition are grouped together under logical logical if condition is done, which is something like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So this action and logic comparison for this two global variable is done in the logical expression. And in the arbitration rule, based on the comparison result, this inside the arbitration rule will configure what action needs to be done. So this arbitration rule will be linked to the action list, and this will have the set of sequence which needs to be done for that particular request port or the global variable change, value change. And this action list will have many number of actions, that is many number of sequences. So this is the major role which is done inside BSWM. So let's see what is mode arbitration. Mode arbitration part initiates the mode switches, that is change in the global variable, resulting from the rule-based arbitration of mode request and mode indication, which is received from software component or other BSWM modules. The mode arbitration is performed by BSWM. It is very simple and rule based. That is, everything is based on the rule which we give in the arbitration rule tag. And this is similar to doing a if condition in C. So to say all these four, whatever configuration we do in this 4 corresponds to this action if is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. In request mode we get x and y. In condition we just assign x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. In logical expression we make x is equal to 2 and logic of y is equal to 3, and in the rule we decide on the action which needs to be done if the logical expression passes or fails, and that action will be configured in the action list. This action list will have many number of actions. So tags used in the mode arbitration are BSWM logical expression, mode condition, mode request port, and BSWM rules. As I told earlier, logical expression, here we use Boolean logics like and or, and something like this if is equal to if some request port global variable is equal to 1 and global variable equal to 2, and this expression corresponds to the action which is configurable in the tag BSWM logical expression. And something like request port is equal to 1 corresponds to the BSWM mode condition. And BSWM rules, based on this logical expression results, we decide on, we link what action, what sequence needs to be done, and true action if the logical expression passes, or false action if the logical expression fails. The result of the evaluation is used to decide about the execution of the corresponding mode control action lists. Mode control, as we told, based on the rules, we decide whether to do true action list or the false action list. This mode control deals with 2 tags, which is nothing but action list and action. And an action list is an ordered list of action that the BSWM executes when triggered by the mode arbitration. That is, when triggered or when this action list is linked to the BSWM rules. As you can see here, we have action list, many number of actions, and these actions are linked to other modules, even application via RTE and other BSWM modules. Hope you understood what BSWM Mode Manager does. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.